New cases of COVID coming to light in Bexar County even after death. 13 deaths came from the Metro Health post-mortem surveillance program. Metro Health and the Bexar County Medical Examiner's Office working together to identify people who might have been battling COVID-19 prior to dying.
As COVID-19 cases rise on a daily basis, there are concerns about protecting people when they're outdoors. Some college sports programs are making changes. Big Ten teams will only play conference games this season.
There's a chance we might not have football games.
Young people attend a party to see who gets infected first or who can survive the virus. And now a San Antonio doctor says a young man died after attending a COVID-19 party.
He thought he was young and he was invincible and wouldn't get affected by the disease.
Searchers push forward with the recovery efforts for Glee actress NAYA Rivera. Authorities say there have been drownings here in the past.
The goal is still to bring Miss Rivera home to her family so they can have some closure.
President Trump has implied he may be ready to grant clemency to Roger Stone. The president's longtime friend was sentenced in February to 3 years in prison for lying to Congress.
The man accused of a deadly mass shooting at a Walmart in El Paso is now facing upgraded charges. The new charges stem from 36-year-old Guillermo Garces, who died 9 months after the August 3rd mass shooting. Crucius is already facing 90 counts and pleaded not guilty last year.
San Antonio water system customers will see stage 1 watering restrictions go into effect today. Restrictions would mean irrigation systems will only be able to run once a week before 11 in the morning or after 7 at night.
Today is the last day for early voting in the primary runoffs. The Bexar County Elections Office has contactless voting procedures for voters at the polls. You will be provided with gloves or a pencil so you don't have to touch the voting screen.
NASA is working on a plan that when astronauts step on the moon and Mars in the future, they leave only footprints. The space agency is revamping planetary protection guidelines to make sure we don't contaminate the solar system during our next missions. The goal is not to bring any microbes that might harm the moon or Mars.